Hey everyone, today I will show you how you can see past dates for Google Maps Street View. When you're in Google, you can just type in Google Maps and click on this first link that you see. And when you're here, you can just search here and type in the place that you want to see. For me, I'm going to type in here, Melbourne. Okay. Alright. And now you can just zoom here into the map and drag this yellow man here into the place that you want to see. For me example, I'm going to drop it here. Alright, so as you can see, this is on February 2023, right? And if you want to see more dates, you can just click on here, see more dates, click on it. And as you can see, there are more dates that you can see. It is until, let's see, it is until February, or it is until November 2007. So let's try to click on it. And as you can see, it is on 2007. So now you know how to see past dates in Google Maps Street View. If you guys have any questions, you can just leave them in the comments below and I'll try to answer all of it. Thanks for watching.